Healthy Vegan Living Podcast, Episode 81 NaNoPodMo Day Number 7 Dominion. Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, your daily dose of plant-based wisdom, with your hosts Gary the Guru and Jovial John.
Hey there, plant-powered people. I'm Gary, the brains behind this operation, and with me is my trusty co-host, John.
Hi everyone. It's day 7 of NaNoPodMo, and today, we're watching the hard-hitting documentary Dominion. This film pulls no punches when it comes to exposing the realities of animal agriculture.
That's right, John. Dominion is like the CSI of the animal world, but instead of solving crime, it exposes them. It's a strict watch, but an important one.
Yeah, it's not exactly a feel-good flick. More like a wake-up call with a side of kale. Let's break down some pros and cons of this eye-opening documentary. First up, the pros. 1. It provides an unflinching look at the treatment of animals across various industries. 2. The use of hidden cameras and drones offers a unique perspective on the scale of the issue. 3. It challenges viewers to reconsider their relationship with animals and the ethical implications of their choices.
And now for the cons. 1. The graphic content can be overwhelming and difficult to watch. 2. Some critics argue it presents a one-sided view without offering solutions. 3. It might be too intense for viewers who are new to the topic of animal rights.
Yeah, it's definitely not a first-date movie unless you're dating a vegan activist. So, did we enjoy the movie? Well, enjoy might not be the right word. It's more like we appreciated its message and the courage it took to make it.
Absolutely, John. It's a film that makes you think long and hard about your choices. It's like broccoli of documentaries, not always easy to swallow, but good for you in a long run.
And if anyone tells you vegans can't be funny, just point them to us. We're living proof that you can be plant-based and still have a sense of humor.
Oh, John, you're on fire today. All right, veggie lovers. That's our take on Dominion. Remember, we're here every day for NaNoPodMo, bringing you the best of vegan living.
That's right. So, keep those veggies coming, and remember, in the game of life, always choose compassion. Please tune in to our next episode, 82 NaNoPodMo Day Number 8 Live and Let Live.
Until next time, stay healthy and stay vegan.
Thanks so much for tuning into the podcast. Our podcast's intro and outro music is Beautiful Days by Darren Birch.